Hey guys, it's Brianna, and we are doing a mystery. What's in my dog's cage? What are you hiding, doggy? What are you hiding? What are you hiding? Huh? Huh? Oh, she's running over him. She's running over. Nala, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's a good doggy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good doggy. If you guys are wondering why I have this pea on my hand, it's a pea. I have it on my hand because, pictured it. So I'm now walking back to my dog's cage. There's a mushroom. We're seeing the mystery of what's in your cage now. Okay. She kills him. Whatever that great thing is. And her brush. And Chaz's car, my little brother. That's it. I'm scared in there. Is that your cage, Nala? Is that your cage? Oh. Did you guys? You're going wild, dog. Woo! Guess we're having a race. Run, run, run. Where'd you go? This is behind of her cage. Watch, ready? Oh, she sees me. Guys, there's a caterpillar. Oh my god, that is so scary. So subscribe to me. There's a bird. I haven't had a bird in a while. Guys, look at this dust. She makes a bunch of holes in Buckaroo. So my yard is a mess, guys. So that's, sorry, I hiccuped. That's it for this video. If you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe and like. Let's go for the goal about, I'm not really famous on YouTube, so I'm not going to say let's go for the goal of 3,000 subscribers or something. Let's go for about 3 likes. 3 likes. That's it. Only 3 likes. And I will do another video. And comment down below what you want this video to be on. So yeah, hopefully this one works. Bye.